So once the irises are washed, they're set in trays here, leaning up so them to drip dry. And then they're brought up to this table here where they're sorted by order number. Each order has a number on the tag, as you can see right there. And it's sorted by that order number. First they're sorted by hundreds or thousands, depending on what the orders are for the week. And then they're sorted into these trays. The trays are all numbered numerically with an order number right there that we change each week. And then the plants are sorted into these trays, and this is where they sit to dry. If there's too many in a tray, we stand them on end or lay them out so they have more of a chance to dry. And they're in these trays for probably 3 days, usually at most, before they're taken to be packed. And as you can see, there's Catherine sorting some of the numbers right now. And over here we have Heidi doing her thing, sorting the irises. And then once they're done here, like I said, they go to be packed. We can get 48 trays per row of tables. And then over here we've got a bunch of plants that are all sitting here drying, have been drying for at least a week already. These are all going to foreign destinations. So they're drying down so that if they get hung up in transit, that they don't have any issues. So they'll dry sometimes for 3 weeks, sometimes the ones going to Australia, sometimes for a month before they're going.